Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Interiors. Today I am gonna show you the beautiful and stylish collection of modern main gate designs, or you can say the modern home iron gate, grill gate, steel gate and sliding folding gate designs. If you are searching for the main gate design ideas, then please watch this video complete. The main gate plays a significant role in adding character and personality to the house facade design. It argues strangers passing by and visitors to form an opinion about your home and lifestyle. But it also satisfies the functional requirement of providing privacy. Although gates are made of wide variety of materials like iron, wood, steel and aluminum. Wrought iron gates are the most popular due to their strength and durability. They also have unmatched classic elegance that boosts the stylishness of the facade. Here in this video, you are watching the popular new main gate designs 2021 collection. Get the latest main gate design for your new or old home. Try this latest designs for your house main gate. We have best designs of modern gates that you can try for your home exterior. You can check out the iron with woodwork on the gate. I assure you will like our collection. The easiest way to boost your curb appeal is to add a stunning, fancy and front gate. A great design will showcase your home, your garden or your spectacular lawn. Front gates are also installed for more practical reasons, privacy and security. The best front gates fit the home structure and style, the owner's personality and needs, and complement its surroundings. Here are our favorite front gate design ideas and beautiful collection to inspire your own. I have a request that please watch this video complete, and after watching, do not forget to provide your feedback in the comment box. Like this video, share it with your friends and fellows as well. For more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel Home Interiors. This video is all about the modern main gate designs ideas with traditional iron home gate models. If you are moving into a new home or are looking to renovate an old gates that already in your house, you will find that this video will really fits for you, cause this video will really inspire you. The front door is often the focal point of a home exterior. A door is the first thing when guests see when they arrive. It is the last thing they contemplate after leaving. It's visited daily by the mail delivery, and it gives potential buyers something to remember the house by. An ordinary home can become the house with the beautiful door, with nothing more than a simple coat of paint. While a magnificent piece of architecture can rely on a unique door style to tie its exterior design together. Why settle with normal? This video will show you the beautiful, the spectacular main gate designs that boost expressively tailored personality and style. Please like this video, share it, and provide your comments in the comment box. We will meet in the next video. Be happy, stay blessed.